Welcome back to our channel. My name is Matt from Plumbing. Today we're going to show you how to unblock a bathroom sink. You see a drain assembly, which would be including a PO drain, which is a pop-up plug, an adapter, and the drain assembly. Sometimes if this is in a condominium or high-rise building, could be copper, brass, or a different kind of plastic. This is a residential house type, so it is an ABS piping. What you see over here called a P-trap. The P-trap is meant to block the sewer gas. So always holding water into it, and this would be preventing the sewer gas from discharging into your house. Now, a common problem as blockage, it's usually happening either within the PO drain over here or into the P-trap, which I'm going to explain why and how you can fix this. So in this specific one, the first thing first that we wanted to check, we wanted to make sure that the pop-up drain assembly has caused no blockage. So if you look at the back of the PO drain assembly, which I am going to turn it away so you guys can see better by loosening this. This is what we are talking about. So a lot of time the pop-up plug can catch the hair and causing a blockage. So removing this and taking this off, flushing the pipe should solve the problem as blockage. Now, this would be the first thing that you wanted to make sure that the blockage is not into the PO drain. And if it's not, then you have to move to the next level. We do need a bucket to place it under the drain assembly to empty the water which is sitting into the P-trap. Rags for any cleaning. I brought disinfection spray, pine cell, for cleaning afterwards, and a drain snaking machine in case if I need it. So in order to move forward with this and see if there is any blockage happening in the P-trap, then you have to loosen this nut, which is called trap adapter. So loosening this will allow you to remove this from the PO drain. Now the next would be the union of the P-trap. So to loosen this, sometimes you do need the tools. Yeah, but I was able to do it with hand. No tools. So I'm gonna hold into this section. This may leak a bit as this P-trap holding water always. So that's what you wanted to be careful. And I am going to show you. So if you look closely into the P-trap, you see the mineral built up into the drain assembly already. So removing this should solve your blockage. So always good to have some tools trying to scrap into this and remove the blockage fully. So in this case, I'm just going to use a multi-screwdriver, trying to scrap into this and clean up the drain assembly. Inside this to remove as much as I can from this. Fine, so just a clean pipe. So doing this, we remove the blockage. Now, when we put this back together, the sink should drain properly. So going back to the installation. So at this moment, we do not need the bucket no more. There is no drip happening. So simply, we will place the P-trap back in a position. The adapter goes on the PO drain. And we're gonna start with a union trap. Just gonna tie this. Loose enough. Next thing is gonna set up our PO drain, and then we're going to tie the adapter. Now, since we remove these parts to check if there's blockage happening on the pop-up drain assembly, now we want to put it back together. In this scenario case, you have to insert this nut into the lever. We're going to put the plug back together and okay, it's all done. Everything's nice and tight. You don't need a plier for this. That's meant to be tied by hand, but in case if you feel that you need one, this is what we want to use. You can just give it a gentle push with a plier. Just make sure you don't go over tight because you can break this. After you're done with this, we're going to run the water, make sure there is no leak, and make sure the water flows perfectly. As you see, the water draining perfectly. There is no blockage into the pipe further. There is no leak happening. So in this scenario case, I do not need to use the snaking machine, and we will do another video for the drain snaking. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give us a like, comment, share our video with your friends and family, whomever may need assistance with a plumbing situation. Should you need further assistance, don't forget about Wrench It Up Plumbing, 416-800-5050. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.